Yeah. Guys, welcome to the channel. This is the OBD Mafia. My name's D. If you watched the previous video, you will have seen that I got a new Forester. It is not in the best condition. I have this Forester right in front of me now. Let me show you what we're gonna do today. So if you've seen previously, this car had gotten into a front end collision. Engine wise, mechanically, everything is good. It's just really cosmetic. I bought this car really cheap. Essentially what I want to do is start parting it out. Let me tell you, this car is a gold mine. I really don't want to rebuild it cost wise. It doesn't really make sense. The interior of this car is absolutely immaculate. I mean, the driver's seats are even in better condition than my car. You know, the steering wheel, the dash, everything in the car interior wise is good. On the exterior, the door trim is great. Fenders are trash, the hood's trash obviously, but these doors are pretty good. The rear trunk door is really good as well. These wheels are for sale. If you guys have a Forester, you guys have a Crosstrek and you guys want these wheels, let me know. The rear bumper is something that I want to put on the other Forester. It's in better condition. I'm gonna go around the car. I'm gonna start taking off parts that I either want to trash or want to store, but then we're gonna jump into the interior, taking all the dash trim. I've already got somebody that wants to buy the dash trim. The dash trim is in great condition. This cubby is also in great condition. What's weird about this piece is you actually have to purchase this whole bulkhead together. It's not a separate part. Now that the front end has been cleaned up, you can really see the damage. The radiator, trash. I wonder if it's still good. I'll probably pull it out. I think I'm gonna take the wheels off as well and clean them up so I can sell them. Because of the collision, space in the front here is really tight. I'm gonna remove these fans. This one is broken. This one's still intact, but when you start it, it's really close to the accessory belt. If you guys made it this far, hit the like button, guys. The more likes we can get, the more car parts we can buy. And if this content has been semi-entertaining to you, hit the subscribe button. Thank you, guys. Now that we have the car moved up, we can now tackle the rear tires, and then we'll hop in the interior to wrap things up. Now it's time to get jiggy in the inside. Now I'm gonna start taking the trim off the dash. So we got the trim pieces we needed. Someone's gonna be buying the center console trim, so that's great. That's kind of what we want. I got the driver knee, I don't know what to call this, but I got that out just to kind of clear more space. Guys, look at how mint this is. Full size spare from the rear. Still has the original Bridgestones on there. Never been used. If you want it, it's yours, 50 bucks. And guys, that's all she wrote. Really appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you made it this far, all the likes, all the comments that you guys leave, really appreciate it. Really helps out the channel tremendously. Next time we're gonna take the seats out, then hopefully we can then pull the motor and the trans and everything that follows. I really want to make sure that we can put the other Forester under a knife and we can start doing the projects that we initially wanted to do. This motor's still good. I'm gonna go over it once it's out of the car. Stay tuned, watch the journey. Peace out, guys.